In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed on your PS5. So the first thing you can do to be able to fix it is to go into settings here on your PS5 as you can see, and then go into users and accounts. And now on users and accounts, just scroll down and click on other, and then click on restore licenses and select Forza Horizon 5 in there. And now when you have done so, then you can go back to this page right here on your settings, scroll up and click on network right here. Then click on settings and then click on set up internet connection right here. And now on your Wi-Fi connection right here, just click on this button right here on your PS5 controller, click on advanced settings and then scroll down here until you can see DNS settings and set this one from automatic to manual instead, and primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1 as you can see, and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1 and click on OK right here. Now just simply wait for it to re-establish connection here as you can see, so we just need to wait a couple of seconds for it to finish. Now when it's finished, just go back here once again, scroll down and click on system and then click on system software and system software update and settings. Make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, just click on it and then click on update using internet, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.